there, whether you are keeping your factory events or your backup system bulletproof, you will need a genset that's not just reliable but also smart, efficient, and powerful. Introducing this 55 kVA diesel genset this powerhouse that works as hard as you do. This generator delivers a solid 50 kVA of prime power and 55 kVA of standby power, driven by reliable Weichai engine and paired with high-performance Voltgent alternator. This genset is equipped with 900-liter fuel tank, which supports long-time running without stop, ideal for rental use in construction sites, events where it needs continuous running smoothly, providing not only high efficiency but also low labor costs. Check this all-in-one 80 amps ATS, which means this genset can support automatically change to the genset power when the grid goes down, making it totally hassle-free. Thanks to its compact open-frame build, this unit is easy to move, fast to set up, and super low maintenance. Whether it's short-term job sites or urgent backup needs, its mobility and service-friendly layout making it a go to work anywhere, anytime. So if you are looking for the power that is reliable and scalable, this 50 kVA Weichai open set is your next must-have machine. Thanks for watching, stay powered up, and see you next time!